Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa IKEA. IKEA, Sacramento. Ganda nito. Tight ko siya. Ito yung showroom nila. Ang lamisan nila. Hmm?
It's nice.
Yeah.
It's got this, you can write on it.
It can go like that. Huh?
Sit and stand.
You see, Johnny, that one is nice. Yeah. Yeah. See?
Okay, metal.
Nice.
Man, he's got codes on it.
It's a lot of file cabinet,
File cabinet for your.
documents and stuff in it.
This is this is nice. See? Jeez. Jeez.
Since the set.
Yeah, I kind of like dark it is. So,
You don't like it? Well, you can change the color. I don't like those though. Oh, I don't like it. I don't know if I like this one. I don't think. Yeah, I mean maybe it's just the model, but you can't really.
Higher.
Yeah,
why do you need higher?
it's too low.
What, you need to
I know, right?
Sure.
Huh?
It's cooking.
Yeah.
I like the fencing to be up about this high.
I think it looks nice, actually. I think the lights are
Oh. Which one?
It's a little more bright.
I think that is pretty. That one, I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know.
Which one? This one? This one, Ashman. See? Better. This one, Johnny. Hey. That one. Nice.
Mimi should get
Hmm?
Oh, he's good.
Yeah.
We need to have, like, not a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
We have too much, like, food stuff.
It's nice too.
Dirty.
Well, you need to clean them. Huh?
When you look inside, it's like a big mess. It's not your Oreos.
How about this one, Ash? This one is nice. Medyo maliit lang na kitchen, pero pwede mo naman yan anuhan eh. Oh, ito yung gusto. I like this.
Oh, this is like a nice.
Huh? This is a modern scratch word.
This is something you have at the beach.
Hmm?
This is cute.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Ang gusto ko siya. Ang ganda ng mga ano niya. Oh. Ano to? Yung sink. Ito na yung... Ginawa pang salamin. Nagnanalamin pa talaga. Diyan. Huh? Yeah, there's those. It's nice. And then you can put some books on the side. See?
Like this smash?
The shower. Puro salamin pa. Ano na yan? Makita na lahat sa'yo. Makita na lahat sa'yo. I like this one though.
Yeah, the black's nice.
But that one... Yan, Ashley. Ang ganda. Ha? May sala ka na, may bed ka pa. Ayan, ang ganda niya. Oh. Wardrobe combination costs 1,000. Sometimes it's nice to have someone else assemble for you, of course. Walang stress kung silang magka-simple. Pero maganda siya, ha? So, this is like $1,000 bucks. Just that. It's nice. Look at this one. I like it. You can put your pants. Yeah. Nice. Frame para sa kanyang bed. Diba? Dito kami nag-celebrate ng aming birthday and ng kanyang anniversary namin. Ang boring. Tadadan, tadan, tadan, tadan. This is nice. Huh? Hmm? Ito gusto ko siya. Ayan, so pwede. Ayan, so nandito na kami kung saan kukunin nyo yung product na gusto nyong bilhin. Pero ang hirap pala kasi wala kaming matanungan as in. So hindi namin nakuha yung gusto naming bilhin dahil wala out of stock ata or wala na dyan. Basta, ngayon, umuwi kaming luhaan, charot. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, ayoko mag-shopping dito. Kaka-stress. Gusto ko doon window shopping lang. Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And God bless everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye!